Okay, so today we will be like upgrading to like Android Auto and CarPlay and like on a 2013 RAM. So like this build will like work all the way from like 13 to 18. So we like remove the old radio. So this is for the old one, and now we are installing this new one in. And then so all of the connections are gonna be the same. So like this one comes like from like 2019 to 2022. So all the connections are gonna be the same. Then also it's gonna like have like the same screws. Everything is gonna be the same. But like once you like get this plugged in, then you will have to also replace this USB hub down here, and then also this harness that will just right plug back in here. And then this was the old one, but with the old one, the Apple CarPlay does not work. So you will have to change the USB hub. So now we have everything plugged in. So you will like need like a security code once you like install this new radio in. But if you will like buy it from us, the security code will come included. So here we have it installed. So it is like the new type, has everything radio.
It goes right into your bloodstream.
So it has everything Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So now we do have my phone plugged in. So it says CarPlay over here. There you go. So everything will work just like the original one. And then this is the OEM one. And then also, so like if you're like upgrading from like the smaller 5-inch one, you will like need the additional harness, resistor, and so I like have like a different video on that, like how like replace that. So we also like sell this display too, and then we also sell this USB hub which you will need, and then also this harness which like connects this USB hub to your original one. And then if you like have like any questions, just like leave like a comment below, and then please like and subscribe. Thank you.